So if you're a brand new real estate agent, this video is for you. What I'm talking about today are moment lenses that are made for smartphones, and they screw right onto your phone to give your phone camera an upgrade. The reason I'm making this video is way back when, first starting to do real estate photography for a real estate company that I worked for. And I did marketing for them and sold insurance and a few other things, but one of my duties was to take pictures of houses. And I went out with a big DSLR and learned how to use it. And recently I've added moment lenses to my own workflow. And it got me thinking to my days in the real estate business and how tough it was for most real estate agents who are just starting out. You just spent a bunch of money on school, haven't earned any commissions yet, and unless you've got a bunch of money in the bank or someone else supporting your bills, it usually is pretty tough when you first get going. A lot of realtors think hey, let me hire a photographer, and while that's a great route to go, that isn't always in the budget. The camera that you walk around with in your pocket is a pretty powerful tool. And with the addition of something like the moment lens, you can go pretty far. So let me show you what I mean real quick. The first photo you see here was me just taking it handheld on my phone, and that's about as wide of a view as the room that we could get. Now, once I added on the moment lens, which is easy as just lining up the lines here and screwing it onto your phone, here's the photo, again, with that moment lens, and you can see how much wider the field of view is on this photo, and you can really see so much more of the room. Now, if you'll notice, it's not too wide to where the lines of the ceiling and the lines of the walls are being bowed like it would be when you see photos from maybe a hotel or a real estate agent who's using a super, super, super wide or fisheye lens. In my opinion, sort of deceptive about what the real size of the room looks like. The moment lens is an 18mm wide lens, and most real estate photographers shoot with a 16 to 35 lens or somewhere in that range. So you're right in the range of what normal looks like, to where we're not making potential buyers see a photo that they're gonna be disappointed when they show up. And part of selling anything is setting the right expectations, right? Bathrooms are always something that are really tough to photograph. Here's the photo without the lens in the bathroom, and you can see it's pushed in real tight. Can't really see the shower too well, but here's the photo with the wide lens on. Now we know that there's a big glass shower in this room. We can see how much space there is to walk around in this bathroom, that it's not a tiny little box as it looks like off of the first photo. So these lenses, they only cost about $100, and there's a link down below in the description where you'll get 10% off for ordering through that link. A little referral bonus for you, my new friends. So if you like this content and you like this product, just give me a like or a thumbs up on this video. Leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle or the website to your real estate company. I'd love to check it out. Even maybe throw me a subscribe or follow me on Instagram too. All the information's down in the description. And hey, if you have any questions or you want any tips, leave me a comment down below on that too, and I'd be happy to answer those for you. So hey, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.